I'm Mark Van Veen with Salford Farm Machinery.
Jim Boak from Salford Farm Machinery. We're standing in front of the Salford RTS. This is a vertical tillage tool with independently mounted colders. It's a multiple use tool. We used in a very wide range of conditions, and we're using it for a number of purposes now. We can apply anhydrous with it, with an anhydrous kit. We can use it for applying seed and fertilizer, and we'll operate in an extremely wide range of soil conditions.
RTS stands for Residue Tillage System. Primary use of the machine is for residue management and also for very light tillage, just to manage residue, to get dirt involved with the residue to increase breakdown.
I guess for this year, when we're challenged with way too much moisture, this is an ideal tool to operate in these high moisture conditions. It can be used for seedbed warming to increase the soil temperature to get seeds to germinate faster in the wet conditions. If you're applying seed, of course you can go through areas that conventional seeding equipment just can't possibly go through or get into. It also would have the advantage of use prior to seeding to warm and dry that soil to allow your seeding equipment to work better, to improve the performance of seeding equipment.
Because of that, it allows you to pull planting windows ahead when you're challenged with a very short season, or the need to have your crop in as early as you can in the season. This machine will allow you to get drills in the field at probably a week earlier.
You can team it up with tow behind or tow between air carts and go out and get your fertilizer down in the fall, manage your residue, and that takes a big load off your seeding equipment in the spring. Not only is there less residue to go through, but instead of loading your seeding equipment up with fertilizer and having the extra stops, you can have that job done in the fall. And then when you come back in the spring, you can just focus on planting, and keep your tanks loaded with seed and cover a lot more acres per hour because you're stopping a lot less to refill.